Welcome to the revision session, Chapter 4 Compilers. A compiler is a program which helps you to transform source code written in high-level language to low-level language. The process includes basic translation mechanisms and error detection. Problem 1. Recognizing basic elements. In this, source program is scanned sequentially. Identifiers, literals, and terminal symbols in source program are identified as tokens. After recognizing these basic elements from source program, these are placed into tables. Classes of uniform symbols in lexical analysis are identifiers, terminal symbols, and literals. Problem 2. Recognizing syntactic units and interpret the meaning. Once the program has been broken into tokens, the compiler must recognize the phrases and interpret the meaning of construction. These two steps are concerned with recognizing and separating the basic syntactical constructs in the source program and is known as syntax analysis. The reduction rules are used to specify the syntax of source language. Once syntactic construction is determined, the compiler can generate object code for each construction. There are separate intermediate forms for these three statements. Parse tree and matrix are two intermediate forms of arithmetic statement. An intermediate form for non-arithmetic statement is similar to that of arithmetic 1. There is no intermediate form for non-executable statement. Instead, the information contained in this statement is entered into tables. Problem 3. Storage allocation. We must reserve the proper amounts of the storage required by the source program. And the storage allocation routine scans the table and assigns location. Problem 4. Code generation. Once the compiler has created intermediate code and tables, it generates the object codes. Code optimization is a technique to improve the intermediate code by making it to consume few resources such as CPU and memory, so that faster running machine code will result. There are two types of code optimization. Machine independent optimization. The part of the intermediate code which is transformed here does not involve any CPU, register or absolute memory locations. Machine dependent optimization is done after the target code has been generated and it involves CPU, registers and absolute memory references. Phases of compiler. Compiler operates in various phases and there are 7 phases. First, lexical analysis. It is the first phase of compilation process. It helps to convert a sequence of characters into a sequence of lexemes called as tokens. This process is called lexical analysis. Second, syntax analysis. A syntax analyzer takes the input from a lexical analyzer in the form of token streams. It checks the syntactical structure of the given input, that is, whether the given input is in the correct syntax or not. It does by building a data structure called parse tree. Third, semantic analysis. It is the task of ensuring that the declaration and statements of a program are semantically correct. It uses syntax tree and symbol table to check whether the given program is semantically consistent with language definition. Fourth, intermediate code generation. Compiler generates the source code into the intermediate code. This is generated between high-level language and machine language. The intermediate code should be generated in such a way that you can easily translate it into target machine code. Code optimization. Optimization is a method of code modification to improve code quality and efficiency. It tries to improve the intermediate code by making it consume few resources. There are two types of optimization and they are machine independent optimization and machine dependent optimization. Code generation. It takes the optimized intermediate code as input and maps it to target machine language. It is the process by which a code generator converts some intermediate representation of source code into machine code that can be executed by a machine. And we have one more phase, that is assembly phase, an assembly language version of the program. And later this assembly code is converted into executable machine code.